Before you create an ad on Facebook, you need to know what I'm about to tell you right now. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create high converting Facebook ad for your affiliate marketing offer. Let's go straight into business. Like I said, why Facebook ads? Billions of people use Facebook ads, adding advanced targeting, and it's beginner friendly. One thing you need to know before you create a high converting is you need to have a very strong attention grabbing headline. You need to hook your audience, whether it's a video or whether it's an image, hook them immediately with compelling text, engaging creative, and a clear call to action. Guide your users directly to the next step. One thing that can help you do this is to use your copywriting skills, or you can actually outsource the intelligence of AI. Targeting strategies. I want you to also start by targeting broad, then you can do narrow later with the data you have. You may not understand this if you're a beginner, but you would eventually understand. Begin with a very wide audience and refine as you gather data. Interest and lookalike. Leverage interest-based targeting and lookalike audience for precision. That is later. Avoid interest stuffing. Don't overload your targeting with too many interests. Ad formats that drives results. Short videos always drive results. Highlight benefits. You need to highlight the benefits in your concised videos. Highlight benefits concisely and dynamically in a very, very appealing short video. Another creative that works is carousel. Showcase transformation or multiple testimonials in your carousel. Just carousel is like a swipe. People swipe to like see more things before they click on your ads. Another one that converts as well, which I've been using for 3 years and is still converting, is simple images plus bold text. You need to direct and impactful messages is very, very, it works almost every time. Now, I want you to know something. In this Facebook, you're going to encounter a lot of problem if you don't comply with their ad policy. Compliance is key. Ensure your ads are compliant with Facebook policies to avoid rejection or even banning your ad account. No get rich quick schemes claims. Avoid misleading promises of instant wealth. If not, Facebook will take down your account. You never have it again. Your business is no more. You need to treat this Facebook like egg. Value driven solutions. Position your offer as a genuine solution to problems. Now, crafting compelling copies for your ads. Like I told you, AI would help you do these things. Like, if you don't want to stress your brain too much, even me that is a copywriter, I'll be honest with you, I use AI now. That is why, I'm scared for many copywriters. Scared for me because AI will do the work for you now. Your ad copy is very, very crucial for connecting with your audience and driving conversion. All you just need to do is to identify the pain points, tell ChatGPT the pain points, address your audience challenge directly. You need to offer a solution, present your affiliate offers as the ideal remedy, and also plug it to ChatGPT to actually help you arrange it. Then you can actually create urgency. Encourage immediate action without being overly aggressive. Like I said again, also do an A/B testing for optimization. Continuous testing is very vital for maximizing your ads performance. Hypothesis, test, implement, and analyze. Now, budgeting and scaling. Manage your ad budgets effectively and scale wisely. Don't scale exponentially immediately. Start small. Begin with a modest budget to test the waters. Monitor the ROI. Track your return on investment. If it's consistent, then scale gradually. You can increase your budget incrementally as the performance is improving. The truth is that your path to success, this is your path to affiliate success. By mastering these strategies, you can create highly effective Facebook ad for your affiliate offers. It's as easy as people say it's easier said than done, but you will never know how easy it is until you start. All you just need to do is to have this in your mind. Strategic targeting, it will help you reach the right audience. Engaging creatives will help you capture attention. Compliant messaging will help you build trust and avoid being banned by Facebook. Continuous optimization will help you maximize your results. With that being said, let's move on to the practical session, another practical session of this program.